You know that feeling when you're stuck doing the same boring tasks over and over again? Copy, paste, switch tabs, repeat. What if you could just connect everything once and it runs automatically forever? Stay ahead by learning how AI tools can streamline tasks, improve focus, and unlock creativity using clear guidance, practical tips, and workflows built for results. So basically, n8n is an automation platform, but not the usual click a few buttons and done type. This is more like you're building actual workflows. You can connect apps, APIs, data, AI tools, and design how everything flows. And the coolest part? You can literally see your automation as a visual pipeline. From trigger to actions to outputs, everything is connected like a system you control. Normally, if you want to automate something, you either jump between multiple tools, or write complex code, or just give up and do it manually. n8n kind of sits right in the middle. It gives you the flexibility of coding, but with a visual builder. So instead of juggling 5 to 10 different tools, you build one workflow, and it handles everything behind the scenes. All right, let me show you what stood out. First, the visual builder. You're literally dragging and connecting nodes like building blocks. Each node represents something, an app, a function, or a step in your workflow. And you can mix things like API calls, custom logic, data transformation, even AI processes. Second, insane number of integrations. From what I saw, it supports hundreds of tools. So instead of being locked into one ecosystem, you can plug in basically anything you already use. Third, AI workflows. This is where it gets interesting. You're not just automating tasks. You can actually build AI-powered processes, like generating responses, analyzing data, or triggering smart actions. And all of that sits inside your workflow. Fourth, self-hosting option. So you're not forced into the cloud. You can run this on your own setup, which gives way more control. And for people who care about privacy or customization, that's a big deal. All right, quick look at the pricing, because this part actually matters depending on how deep you want to go. So n8n has a few different tiers. There's a starter plan, which is around $20 per month, and it's more for getting started. You get a limited number of workflow executions, but unlimited steps, which is actually nice. Then there's the Pro plan at about $50 per month. This one feels more like the sweet spot if you're building real workflows. You get more executions, more concurrency, and extra features like workflow history and global variables. After that, there's the Business plan, which jumps quite a bit. It's designed for teams that need scaling, collaboration, and things like SSO and multiple environments. And then there's Enterprise, which is more custom, basically for companies that need full control, security, and dedicated support. But here's the interesting part. They also offer a self-hosted option. So technically, you can run n8n on your own setup, which gives you way more flexibility depending on how you want to use it. Not gonna lie. At first, it feels a little overwhelming because this isn't just a click and done tool, but once you understand how the nodes connect, it actually becomes kind of addictive. Like, you start thinking, wait, I can automate this too, and this, and this, and suddenly you're building systems instead of doing tasks. So a simple flow would look like trigger comes in, it processes data, connects to another tool, then sends an output, all visually, and you can literally follow how the data moves step by step, which makes debugging and tweaking way easier. So yeah, if you're into automation, workflows, or just making your life a bit easier, n8n is definitely worth checking out. Try it out, experiment with it, and let me know what you'd build with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.